Dennis, and welcome back to welding. Last time we played welding, it was really awesome. And now we're back here in the world of welding. Let's float again. Yeah, police report welding. Welding? Help! Help me! Ow. Okay, I didn't know about this mode. Now we're back in the world of welding. But, oh my god. What is this? What is this? What have I made? This doesn't look normal. Okay, just put those things back. Push these things. This is like a puzzle game. Except it's not puzzling. It's just build your own world. This is like Mario Maker. Okay, an egg. An odd medical condition with eggs. I remember the last time these things cracked. Oh, whoa. This game does... Yeah, God darn! Go back. Go back. Oh no. Welding. No! Oh, God. No! I'm pressing the wrong buttons. Oh, this is so bad. This is a fail. This is such a fail. Okay, so let's do this time. We will go down here. So put the lot of eggs there. And let's cross your fingers that the wall will protect us from these demonic beasts that crack out the egg. What? I keep pushing. You get pub love. You get pub love. All you guys get pub love. I don't think I wanted that. More pub love. One more pub love. And finally, some magnets. What a fail. No. Oh! 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 Well, that told them off for a little time. Run! What? Will you please stop following me? Use this. No. Whoa! Whoa! Run away, run away, run away, run away. Whoa. I'm safe. I'm safe from these demonic beasts. Fly away. Fly away. Get away from me, you little creeps. Run away. Oh. Oh. Oh, they're nuts, they're nuts, they're nuts. Run away, run away, run away. Jump away. Jump away. Jump. Get back to the Kickstarter film. Oh no. Oh. Oh. What a fail. Hey guys. Click the walls of gratitude. Take this. The wall of gratitude. How many are there? Okay, that wall should protect me until... Oh my god! Ha, some of them are trapped. But there's hundreds of them. Oh, they're all trying to get after me. You're crazy. You're crazy. This is crazy. I'm going to... Okay. Oh! Oh! Go away. Jump. Jump. No, they trapped me! Oh! 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 This is so creepy. Ah, they trapped in the whole god hole. Ha! You can't get me. Still unnecessary data. Okay. Anyways, guys, that was my video. I hope you enjoyed this. Again. Boom! Bye-bye. Oh, God. Oh, God. It's horrible. Use it. Use it. Use it. Use it. Ah, they found me. Get out of here. Okay, that was welding. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I did too. If you liked it, I enjoyed it also. And I hope you enjoyed this video of welding. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Wait. Wait. Bye-bye.